Hey everybody, today we're gonna do some vegetable planting from seeds. It's March 11, I believe, today. Just enjoying this very balmy winter weather. Remember, it's still winter, it ain't spring yet. And we are going to plant some Hawthorne Farm Stocky Red Roasted Sweet Peppers. These are great for roasting once they're fully ripened near the end of the growing season. And I am doing a demonstration at a library next month, so I have to get these started now before it's too late. And I want to give them about a month of growth in here before I give them away as a raffle. So let's get started here. For pots, I like to use these party cups here. Sometimes they come in red, sometimes they come in yellow. These cost $7 plus tax at Canadian Tire, and they came in a pack of 50, so it's very cheap. It comes to about 15 cents a cup. Holds a lot of soil and has no drainage, but I'm going to show you how I do the drainage. So you just take the bottom right here, grab a pair of scissors, a little slit, go on the other side, to another one. Oh, a little too small. Let's make that bigger. There you go. Now you see the two holes there, so you got drainage. Always make sure your pots have drainage. As for soil, I like to use potting soil, but the store was sold out of potting soil, so I ended up getting a Pro Mix premium vegetable and herb mix. Doesn't really matter but what kind of soil you get, as long as there's proper drainage with them. And I'm talking about perlite. See that white piece right there? So these act as pockets of oxygen, and it helps improve drainage and oxygen uptake by the roots. So what I like to do here, once you get your holes on the bottom ready, you just dump some soil, as so. That, pack it a little bit, not too much, shake it up. Don't ever fill it to the top, because once you water it, you want some of the water to pool in here and help get absorbed by the soil in the bottom and not spill everywhere and make a mess. So once you do that, you grab pencil, chopsticks, scissors, poke a hole, even your finger right here, about a few centimeters or so in the center. And then you grab some seeds. Since these are for a demo and I'm giving them away, and just like anything living, there's never a guarantee, so I like to plant more than just one seed and then thin them out, cut out the weak ones once they sprout, once they germinate. So we'll grab 1, 2, let's do a third one. That. Put the rest of the seeds back. Cover it up with soil, and you want to water them right away. Watering them will trigger the germination process, and you want to be gentle with the watering. You don't want to make a deluge of water there, and then it'll end up making the seeds slosh around, and then they'll end up either on the side, but you want them in the center. So gently water them. I like to use my fingers sometimes here to just kind of guide the water. So let's see, get a better angle. And that's that. Keep them in a temperature of about 20-25 degrees indoors. They don't need any sunlight just yet, not until the cotyledons and the real leaves come out. And then you can either have them on a windowsill or under a grow light, and plant them at end of May. I would say May 2-4 is usually when I start bringing stuff outside, because you never know. Right now we have a fake spring, and although it feels great, I'm pretty sure winter is gonna come back. So enjoy.